What if I told you, there exists a world where motorcycles aren't just machines, but rolling pieces of art, crafted for the elite, engineered for speed, and priced like a dream? These aren't just bikes, they're status symbols, they're statements of power, of wealth, of passion. And today, we're diving into the world of the most expensive motorcycles money can buy. Stay with me till the end because the final bike will blow your mind. Inspirational tone. For those who seek the extraordinary, a motorcycle isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle. These machines aren't built for the masses. They're created for the few, the bold, the visionaries who believe in pushing the limits of luxury and performance. Owning one of these bikes isn't just about riding, it's about making a statement. And each of the bikes on this list has a story, a soul, and a price tag that makes heads turn. Let's begin. Bike 1, Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Fighter, $11 million. We start with a bike so rare, so exotic, that it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. The Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Fighter, a mechanical masterpiece. With only 45 ever made, this beast isn't just about looks. It's powered by a 120Ci V-twin engine, wrapped in a stunning titanium and aluminum body. The price? A staggering $11 million. What makes it so special? The exclusivity, the handcrafted precision, and the fact that it defies the very idea of what a motorcycle should be. But if you think this is the pinnacle, hold on tight. We're just getting started. Bike 2, 1949 E90 AJS Porcupine, $7 million. Now, let's go back in time. Imagine a piece of racing history that's worth more than a mansion. Meet the 1949 E90 AJS Porcupine, a bike that dominated the post-war racing scene. With only 4 ever built, this machine carries the legacy of Grand Prix victories and the spirit of an era when racing was raw, dangerous, and pure. The price tag? $7 million. But is it worth it? For a collector, absolutely. This isn't just a bike, it's a piece of motorsport heritage. And speaking of heritage, wait till you see what's next. Bike 3, Ecos ES1 Spirit, $3.60 million. Ever wondered what happens when you take Formula 1 technology and put it into a motorcycle? Enter the Ecos ES1 Spirit, a bike that throws tradition out the window. With its carbon fiber monocoque frame, no front forks, and a jaw-dropping top speed of over 250 miles per hour, this isn't just a motorcycle, it's a revolution on 2 wheels. At $3.6 million, this is for those who don't just ride, they dominate the road. But if speed excites you, the next one will take things to another level. Bike 4, Hildebrand and Wolfmuller, $3.50 million. What if I told you that one of the most expensive bikes in the world isn't new at all? Meet the Hildebrand and Wolfmuller, a machine that takes us back to the origins of motorcycling. Built in 1894, this was the world's first production motorcycle. It's not just a bike, it's a time machine, and collectors are willing to pay $3.5 million for a chance to own this piece of history. But we're not stopping here. The next bike. It's pure adrenaline. Bike 5, BMS Nema Sisso, $3 million. Gold. That's right. This is the BMS Nemesis, a motorcycle that looks like it belongs in a billionaire's palace. With a 1,700 cubic centimeters engine and a 24-karat gold-plated frame, this isn't just a motorcycle, it's art. The price? $3 million. But when money is no object, why settle for ordinary? Now, are you ready for the final bike? Because it's something out of a dream. The payoff, the ultimate machine. Bike 6, Dodge Tomahawk V10 Superbike, $550,000. The Dodge Tomahawk V10 Superbike is something straight out of science fiction. A 500 horsepower V10 engine taken straight from a Dodge Viper, 4 wheels for stability, and a top speed of 350 miles per hour. Yes, you heard that right, 350 miles per hour. With a price tag of $550,000, it's not even the most expensive on this list, but it's without a doubt the most extreme. This isn't just a bike, it's a statement that says, I own the road. So there you have it, the most expensive motorcycles money can buy. But the real question is, if you had unlimited money, which one would you ride? Or would you create something even wilder, something the world has never seen before? One thing is certain, the world of motorcycles is not just about speed or style. It's about passion, about dreams, about breaking limits. And for those who dare, the road is endless. If you loved this deep dive into the world of luxury motorcycles, hit that like button and subscribe for more adrenaline-fueled content. And don't forget, let me know in the comments which of these bikes you'd love to own. Ride fast, live free, and I'll see you in the next one.